This is a 1968 Ford XL. This is a super rare car. This is a 428 4-speed convertible, kind of the businessman's hot rod right here. There's only a handful made, ordered in this way, which we'll have the full numbers on that on our website in the ad based off the Marti Report. But it's only a couple dozen cars that came this way. And again, this is a Ford XL built off the Galaxie. It's the highest trim. Beautiful, beautiful light yellow color. Hideaway headlights. Power convertible top. We got documentation on the 428. It has been rebuilt. Running and driving great. There's your 4-speed transmission. Really neat car. Paint and body, interior is beautiful. Shows 91,000 on the odometer. That is believed to be original. I'm gonna fire it up here for you. And there's that 428. Center console mounted tach, super rare option. Engine sounding really good. There's your heater fan turned on. Radio has some static. I'd say the radio probably works. I can hear static out of the speaker. There's your wipers. I'll show you these hideaway headlights as well. Bucket seat console, 4-speed 428, super rare color, super rare combo. Should pop up headlights there. All right, under the hood. There's your 428 Cobra Jet engine. Engine sounds super good. You got power brakes. Does have California smog equipment on it. Super clean under the hood. Super original. This car is just stunning. Moving on to the paint and body, super straight. Really nice gaps all the way through. Here on the front end. Really nice. Love this decal across the side. Interior's in awesome shape. Love the dash. The entire frame for the convertible top has been redone. It looks awesome, which I'll show you that when I go to put it up here. Chilly day out here in Denver, so a little condensation out of the exhaust is all that is. Exhaust sounds awesome, very period correct. I love this Meadowlark Yellow color, just beautiful. So we're gonna go up with the power top. The switch for it is right here. See how nice that frame is? It's all nice and painted. Weather stripping's in excellent shape. Not gonna latch it just because I'm by myself, but show you the top here. Top's in really good shape. Windows in awesome shape. If you're interested in this super rare Meadowlark Yellow 428 Cobra Jet 4-speed console bucket seats, please scroll down. There'll be a link in the description. Take you right to our website, carsrememberwhen.com. There you'll be able to find our asking price. You'll be able to find the Marti Report, all the other documentation that goes along with this car, full photo gallery, undercarriage pictures, and if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.